and welcome to yet another episode in our affordable video series. आज मैं आपको 3 best liquid eyeliners बताने वाली हूँ under ₹300. Yes, you heard me right. But before we move ahead, make sure आप Be Beautiful को subscribe करें and do hit the bell button ताकि आप updated रहे with all our latest videos. So today, all the eyeliners that I'm going to be recommending are from Lakme because when it comes to eyeliners, I don't think anybody does it better than this Indian brand. They have some fabulous eyeliners at affordable rates. I mean, what's not to love? I personally love their liquid eyeliners and today I'm going to be sharing 3 of my top favorites with you guys. तो सबसे पहले जो liquid eyeliner मैं personally recommend करने वाली हूँ वो है Lakme Eyeconic liquid eyeliner in black. This right here is a new launch and it retails for ₹250 for 4.5 ml, which is quite a steal. Now, मैं अपने eyeliners के बारे में काफी picky हूँ, which means that I always look out for products that are super pigmented and help me achieve really clean and sharp lines. Also on long and sweaty days, मुझे ऐसा eyeliner चाहिए जो मेरा साथ दे, which means that it has to be waterproof and smudge proof. And guess what? This eyeliner does just that. Now this product comes with an amazing flexi brush, which means अगर आप cat eye look create करना चाहते हैं या कोई भी dramatic eye makeup look create करना चाहते हैं for that matter, it is super easy with this product. It has a very intense black color like you can see and it dries to a semi-matte finish which lasts for up to 24 hours. You will absolutely not require any touch-ups whatsoever. Also, if you are curious to know more about this product, we have a very detailed video exclusively for this, so make sure you check it out. I'll link it down in the description box below for you, but make sure you go there after watching this video. The next eyeliner that I'm going to recommend is the Lakme Insta Liner in the shade Royal Blue. This eyeliner retails at ₹120 for 9 ml, and if you are a beginner at makeup, you have to get your hands on this one because it gives you such amazing value for money at this cost. This eyeliner is available in 4 shades, which is black, royal blue, green and golden. The consistency of this liner is a little more thin and runny, which means कि it does take a little longer to dry. But its the positive side ये है कि if you are a beginner and new to makeup, आप easily जाके अपने mistake को correct कर सकते हैं before it can dry. Like you can see, this is super duper pigmented, one stroke and you are going to see rich pigmented color. The finish is totally matte. It has no glossy effect whatsoever, which I personally love. और दूसरी चीज जो मैंने नोटिस की है कि ये काफी lightweight है, which means कि आप अपने eyelids पे लगाएंगे, it sits so comfortably, unlike other eyeliners, which can sometimes feel a little heavy on your eyelids. This eyeliner is water resistant, but you do want to wear this one on a super rainy day. Next up is the Lakme 95 Impact Eyeliner. Let's just take a moment to appreciate this packaging right here. It's so cute, so sleek, definitely an eye candy. This one retails at ₹290 for 3.5 ml. Now the amazing thing about this product is the long handled brush that it comes with. This helps me get such a good grip that creates beautiful precision whenever I'm creating an eyeliner look with this product. इसमें एक gel based formula है, which means that it glides on my skin like magic. It's unbelievable. Also ये काफी pigmented है and इसका color payoff बहुत ही intense और rich है, which means that you get the best of it with every stroke. And while we are at it, let me quickly run my fingers over this and show you that it does not bleed, it does not budge, it stays put through for hours and hours. It has micro fine glitter particles which make it perfect if you want to head out and rock a party. So what are you waiting for? Add this to your cart right away because trust me, you are not going to regret owning this beauty. So guys, उम्मीद है आपको ये video काफी helpful लगा होगा. If you use any of these eyeliners already, do let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. जाने से पहले make sure you like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful channel और bell icon को जरूर hit कीजिए ताकि आप notified रहे with all our latest updates. Until the next video, bye.